G'day. I just want to give you a brief explanation about R&D tax incentive as of today. R&D tax incentive is an Australian government measure to enhance and help the R&D activities done by the Australian companies. Which means that it's the government assistance help with Australian business to doing more R&D. So the government assists with the money the business spend it on, right? So it's been there for long, but it's really well-known secret. The people didn't know about it. A lot of business people, accountants, they never knew about this R&D tax incentive, and they're missing a lot of money on this one. So for example, I had a client who spent for the R&D purpose roughly about over 2 years time, roughly about $400,000 over 2 years, and we found it out that he be eligible for R&D. And after 2 years time, I think we have applied for R&D tax concession, and he had received roughly about 180K from the government, because it's a refundable tax offset, and you can get roughly about 43.5% back from the government. So what I give you the explanation about this R&D tax incentive is, if you're doing something innovative, experimental, and creative, sounds difficult, innovative, creative, or experimental activities, which is kind of R&D, and government gonna assist you with 43.5% as a tax offset into back into your business account. So basically, it has to be a company, PTY entity, not the trust, not the sole trader, not the partnership. It has to be a company only, and minimum spend is $20,000. And of course, you got to do R&D activity. So if you meet these three conditions, you'll be eligible for R&D tax incentive, and potentially you get the money that you spend. You thought the money is long gone, but you can pretty much have a half back into your account. So if you meet the three conditions, company, minimum $20,000 money spent, and eligible R&D activities, you meet these three conditions, give us a ring and we'll look after. And what we do is we have a discussion about the activities, and whether the eligible activities and eligible amount of funding, and then we apply for the R&D tax incentive to Aussie industry. And once the Aussie industry approved our activity, and then we apply for the tax refund to an Australian taxation office. That's a procedure, and it takes roughly about 6 to 10 weeks from the application to actually get the money back into your bank account. So that's a brief explanation about the R&D tax incentive. So give us a ring and send us a message, send us a DM, and we'll get back to you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.